Welcome to Nona's Here. I'm Nona, and today I am participating in the Summer Fruit Challenge, where we were to take some kind of fruit craft and make it into a project. So I have taken 3 different kinds of fruit craft supplies and made them into craft projects. I sure hope you'll enjoy my video. So stay tuned as we get over to my craft table and I show you my 3 easy, fun, and budget-friendly crafts that I've made for the Summer Fruit Challenge. DIY number 1. For this one, I went to Dollar Tree and I got one of these aluminum cutouts, stand-up pieces of a pineapple, and I had these cutouts of pineapples that I got in the education department at Dollar Tree that teachers use to make bulletin boards. I used my E6000 and some small letters, scrapbooking letters, to put a little message on each side. So I put a pineapple cutout on each side of the aluminum piece, and then on one side I glued on a little message that said hi there, and on the other side, put on a message that said hi cutie, and on the other side I put a message on that said hi there cutie. And that is how I did the first DIY. Those little pineapple cutouts fit pretty well on the aluminum cutout. All right, on to DIY number 2. For this one, I went to I had this little cutting board that I got on Temu for like 18 cents. I used chalk paint in fern and sage, and I had taped off on my cutting board because I didn't want to go too high. So I taped off some of the bottom part and painted the very bottom with the dark fern. And then I took off the tape and mixed some of the sage with some white and made the next layer, because I'm making watermelon. So watermelon has the dark green skin, and then on the inside it's like a lighter green with some white. So that's how I did that. Then I took my ink chalk paint and the end of a skinny paintbrush, not the brush side but the end, and dipped it in the ink, and I just kind of put it down on the board and did a little swish movement with the hard end of the brush to make seeds of the watermelon, like you see there. Then I had some ribbon in red and green and black, and I cut strips of the ribbon to make a messy bow that I put at the top. But before that, I had this welcome sign that I had gotten at Hobby Lobby. It was on clearance. It's actually a mirror of the word welcome. And so, which I'm going to show you in just a minute as soon as I get done making seeds. There you go. And I took this silver paint pen and went around the edges of the cutting board just to kind of finish it off. There we go. Then I took the welcome mirror sign that I got at Hobby Lobby on clearance for 99 cents, and I attached that to the cutting board. Then I took the ribbon in red, green, and black and cut it in strips and made a messy bow for the top of the watermelon sign and glued that onto the top. And there is my watermelon welcome sign, all finished. Of course, I want to give a big shout out to our host, Ellie, DIY From House to Home, whose channel link I will include in the description box down below. And she will have the playlist of all the crafters who are joining in today. You'll want to be sure and check out Ellie's channel along with the playlist of all the crafters who are participating in the Summer Fruit Challenge. Thanks to Ellie for hosting this challenge, and thanks to all the other crafters who are joining in today. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you're sure to be alerted every time I upload a video. Also, if you enjoy my video, I sure would appreciate a thumbs up. If you know any crafters that might be interested in some of my craft projects, be sure and share my video, and I love reading your comments. Okay, back to my next DIY. DIY number 3. At Dollar Tree, I found this little magnetic bulletin board, a cork board, and it had a strawberry on the top. It was magnetic on the back. And so I took the strawberry and I used some of my Fern Waverly chalk paint and some of my Crimson chalk paint. And the first thing I did was I painted the strawberry stem green with the Fern chalk paint. And then I painted the strawberry red with the Crimson chalk paint. And then I took the ink chalk paint, which is black, and a toothpick, and I dipped the toothpick into the ink and just went around and filled in those little black dots on the strawberry. And that pretty much finished this craft DIY. I just went around. You can see where I touched the bottom of the strawberry with my thumb with the black paint, so I painted over it with red, so now it's real ripe on the bottom of the strawberry. And there is my strawberry magnetic cork board. DIY number 4, this is my bonus DIY. So I went to Dollar Tree again and found this necklace on red beads with cherries on the bottom. So I took the cherries off the necklace, again using my Fern chalk paint and some white chalk paint. And I didn't know when I actually bought this whether those letters were connected or not. No, they were not connected. They were 4 separate pieces of wood. So, and I know you're all screaming right now, no, Nona, you've got them backwards. That is not going to be right. Well, you're correct. So I put them together and I kept them together using popsicle sticks. But of course, when I turned it around, the E was upside down and backwards. So I had to take it all apart and fix it again. And I used a straight edge to make sure they were all straight and in a straight line. And so I glued them that they were together using wood glue. And I alternated the painting of the blocks, fern, green, and white. So now that I have the letters correct so that when I turn it around, it really does say home in the right order. See, there you go. It says home in the right order. And then I took the red cherries and I used my E6000 and I used the big cherry and covered the O using my E6000. But I still have that little round circle where the cherries were attached to the necklace. But don't worry, I take care of that. So I'm going to attach the cherry to the home sign using the big cherry to cover the O. And now I'm going to take one of the little beads off the necklace and put it in that circle piece of metal where the cherries were attached to the necklace. And that's my home sign. So which one is your favorite? The pineapple hi there cutie sign, the watermelon welcome sign, the strawberry magnetic cork board, or the home sign? Comment down below which is your favorite. Once again, I want to thank Ellie from DIY From House to Home for hosting the Summer Fruit Challenge. I want to thank all of you for watching my video, and I hope to see you again very soon at Known as Here. Bye!